Well, I got all the crap I need to start the U-Haul. Exhaust clip, knee pad, wrench, and the booster. I'm going to try the same booster because I know this thing's dead. So, I'm just going to try it first without boost. Oh, ooh, that hurt. 9/16. I did unhook the battery though, but one time I unhooked it, the it went dead when I hooked it up one day, so which was the last time I started this thing was when it was 20 degrees. 29. Come on. Alright, let's try tightening it up now. Remember, when you tighten up a battery, never want to touch metal. Come on. Oh, good Lord. This is not a ratcheting wrench, I can tell you right now. I always struggle hooking the battery up. Oh, God. This is why I hate those batteries underneath, because they're harder to hook up, and plus they're side post. Just trying to struggle my way again. God dang. Oh. Alright, there. That's what I hate about hooking up this battery. I should have run around the whole time. And I have to get the keys, so hold on. Alright, finally got the battery hooked up and I got the keys. Starting my exhaust clip just in case it's charged. But 5-speed or neutral. You don't have to push the clutch on it when you start it, but yep. Oh, let me pause my exhaust clip, people. Oh, crap. I go struggling my way under here again. Ugh. These cables are so short. God. Let me put this down. That works. All right. God. All right, let's give her a try. All right, here we go. Oh, I hope those cables don't fall off. You're teasing me. You're teasing me. That booster works great. Ooh, it didn't do that when it was 29 degrees out. Ooh, this thing's getting hard to start right now. It's not liking me today. What the heck are we gonna do? This thing's not wanting to start today. Ah, well, let me pause my camera again and give this thing a rest. Alright, it's been charging for a little over a minute. I hope this booster doesn't die. And I hope it'll freaking start too. Hope I didn't flood it either. Oh, I need to get the other booster, I think. Oh, let me go grab it. That's toast. Oh, it's already dead. It's going to take forever to charge. The negative term on the bigger booster doesn't hook right. It did work before, now it's being a piece of crap. Shouldn't be snapping off now. Ah, you piece of crap. Better not use stupid starting fluid. Yeah, I need starting fluid, piece of crap. I hate you. Jesus, being a piece of shit.